On? Yeah, we are live. We are live, Ashwath, we are live.
Yes. Hello, viewers. Very good evening to everyone. We are here for the bingo event. I hope you all enjoyed the wonderful quiz that was put together by Professor Madhusudan Kalichelvan. In fact, we have a few participants from that quiz in this show as well. I welcome all of you. I welcome all the participants here today. We have around 12, 13 of them. Thank you all for joining us. I hope you're all enjoying the carnival. Today we have Vidwan Vishwesh Chandrasekhar, who will be hosting this event, Bingo, for us. It's the traditional bingo game that we've all seen, with a little musical twist, I would say, to the whole game in the Carnatic sense. And welcome, Vishwesh. Thank you so much for taking the pains to put this game together and helping us with hosting this. Vishwesh is a very sought after young violinist, student of Sangeeta Kalanidhi, A. Kanyakumari madam. Thank you, Vishwesh, for joining us. Please take the stage to go ahead and start the game.
Thank you so much, Ashwath. Thank you for the opportunity. So before we start the game, I'll just brief you the rules, brief all the participants about the rules of the game. So you would have all received the bingo cards. So each bingo card, it contains 24 pictures of various artists, instruments, deities, and composers, and a blank square in the middle called the free card. So when the game starts, I'd be calling out random pictures, random names, and you're required to identify the artist or the deity and mark it accordingly. So you just have to click on the picture to mark it. So this keeps going on. The process keeps repeating till the player claims bingo. So what is bingo? So you have to complete a bingo pattern thrice. You have to form 3 straight lines of various combinations. It can be either 3 horizontal rows or 2 verticals and 1 horizontal, or any of that sort. So the first person who claims bingo wins the game. Do not forget to type bingo first here and then claim for bingo, because even if you finish first, if you don't type bingo here, it does not count. So if you finish 3 rows, don't forget to type bingo here, and the free card can be used to complete a bingo pattern. So basically, when 4 pictures are marked, the free card can be used to complete a pattern of any sort, horizontal, vertical, or diagonal. So these are the rules. I wish everyone a good luck, and I hope luck favors all of you.
Sorry, one doubt.
Yeah.
The free card can be used only once, or?
Yeah, it can be marked only once. It can't be marked more than once.
More than
yes.
Just 2 points. For the ones who joined late, I have pinged the link over chat, for you to start, open the link and start playing with that. Another pointer is, Vishwesh, do you want to share your screen?
Yes, Anna, I'll share my screen now. Just for the people who are viewing the live to get an idea of how the game goes, I'll just share my screen, because
yes. For the others, you don't have to look at Vishwesh's screen. Only your screen is important for the game.
Yeah, this is just for fun. So yes. Shall I start? Have you opened the cards? Yes, great. So the first one is Ghatam. The next one is Mridangam. The next one is Goddess Saraswati. The next one is Lord Krishna. The next one is Vidushi A. Kanyakumari Amma. The next is Mridangam legend T.K. Murthy, sir. The next one is Sri Muthuswami Dikshitar. The next one is Mahakavi Subramanya Bharatiyar. The next one is Mahavidwan Palakkad Mani Iyer. The next one is Lalgudi Jayaraman, sir. So a quick question actually. So how many of you have completed one row? By a show of hands, please. How many of you have completed one row? Anyone? Okay, interesting.
So by one row, are you even considering cross diagonals?
Anything? Yes, yes.
Okay.
It can also be.
Vishwesh,
Yes.
can you just repeat from I was a power cut here, so I think I lost the net for a while.
Actually, I can't hear you. Can you please repeat?
1 second. Oh, sorry.
I think I heard him. I think he had a power cut, and he's asking if we will be able to repeat things. Is that a
after
possibility?
Muthuswami Dikshitar?
After Muthuswami Dikshitar, okay.
Do you have the list on you, or is it generating automatically?
No, I have the list. After Muthuswami Dikshitar, it was Mahakavi Subramanya Bharatiyar.
Okay.
And after that, it was Palakkad Mani Iyerwal. And after that, it was Lalgudi Jayaraman, sir. Yeah. So the next one is guitar. Guitar, the instrument guitar. The next one is Vidwan T. N. Seshagopalan, sir. So the next one is Vidwan Shemmangudi Srinivas Iyer. Next is Vidwan Maharajapuram Santanam.
There is a dual responsibility here of actually identifying who the musician or the instrument is and then marking it.
Yes, and please don't look at my screen.
But I have a question. Okay.
Yes.
We see Vidwan G and Balasubramanian there. If I mark him as Vidwan Maharajapuram Santanam, will that work or will it not?
You can mark it temporarily. I can simply mark it, but I have a list of the names here, and I will cross verify after the game completes.
Okay,
so it's not possible.
Got it.
Okay, so sorry, I have another doubt.
Yes.
Okay. Suppose so in a row or a column there is one common picture, and so I count that separately, or if I get one common picture.
You can use the common picture to complete to one or two rows. You can do that.
You can use. Okay, so if the same picture comes in one column or one row, I can take that as two different row.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Yes,
overlapping.
Yes.
Yeah, if they overlapping
is allowed. Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
So yes. So the next one is Lord Rama. The next one is Lord Anjaneya, Lord Hanumar. The next one is Lord Narasimha. I think I have a crack at winning the game. Let's see.
Yeah, the host himself might win. Looks like it.
The next one is Sri Shyama Shastri. I think some people are terribly out of luck here. Next one is
No, my question is, are they waiting for the entire thing to get filled up?
no, it does some, people finish before the entire thing gets filled up,
No, but are they waiting for it and not calling out when one row is getting closed? I hope people are not waiting. Okay, great.
No, at least not for me.
The next one is Vidushi ML Vasanta Kumari Amma.
இதுக்கு நான் ஃப்ரீ யூஸ் பண்ணா ஒரு லைன் வருமா? இதுக்கு நான் எங்க யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கிறேன் அது ஃப்ரீயா? அப்போ எனக்கு தெரியாது. I thought இதுக்கு இப்படி மட்டும் தான் யூஸ் பண்ண முடியும்.
So the next one is Vidwan Flute Mahalingam. Flute Mali sir.
எல்லாம் ரெண்டு பாக்கி வருது. அதுல ரெண்டு பாக்கி, இதுல ரெண்டு பாக்கி, இதுல ஒண்ணு பாக்கி. வந்துரும் இது ஒன்னு சொன்னா கூட பரவாயில்லை.
Please be cautious because if you finish 3 rows, you have to send bingo because that's the most important thing here. So the next is Gatam Vidwan Vikku Vinayagaram sir. The next one is Ganjira Maestro G. Harishankar sir. Talk about coincidence. The next one is the instrument Ganjira. So a quick question. Now, how many of you have completed one row by the show of hands? Anyone? Okay. We have 1, 2.
Even for one to get cleared, can you press 3? Or should I wait for the final one?
Sorry, I don't get you. Can you please repeat?
See, diagonally I have done 4. So to complete one row, can I click 3 or should I use that 3, to do the final one?
You can use your free card at any point of time. If it gets you to, finish 3 rows, you can do it.
Okay,
you can.
got it.
Hi, sorry, quick doubt. Was MS Amma called out?
No. MS Amma was not called out.
Oh, cool, okay.
3 full complete ஆற மாதிரி பாத்துக்கோ. இங்க 3 complete ஆறதா பாரு. Diagonal, 2 vertical, 2 horizontal, ஒரு diagonal 2 complete.
So the next, I'll call it the next one. The next one is Mridanga Mahavidwan Umayalapuram Shivaraman sir.
Excuse me?
Yes.
If MS Lakshmi didn't get called, then how come it's marked on your screen under the Morsing?
Oh, sorry. Yes, I'll just check. Sorry. Sorry, MS Subbalakshmi Amma has not been called and it's my bad. Sorry, it's MS Amma has not been called. Looks like I've been caught.
Happens.
So yeah, the next one after Shivaraman sir is Vidwan Trichy Shankaran sir. So the next one is Mahavidwan Ariyakudi Ramanuja Iyengar. The next one is Vidwan Nedunuri Krishnamurti Garu. So have anyone completed 2 rows now? Anyone at this juncture? 2 rows?
Very close, but not yet.
Okay. Okay. So the next one is Vidwan Veenai Balachandar, sir.
I'm on column.
Okay, I am about to complete. So
Sorry, can you tell once again?
Vidwan Veenai Balachandar, sir. So the next one is Vidwan DK Jayaraman, Mama. DK Jayaraman, sir.
Sorry, I have a doubt again.
Yeah.
I don't know whether it's a silly doubt or something. There is the free column that your square that you've given is in the middle, right?
Yes.
So I cannot replace that, consider that as some other thing and mark it.
No. You can't do that.
Only in that position.
Yeah, you can't consider some other name of instrument or composer as the free card. You can't do that.
Okay.
I have a doubt. So
Yes.
If we have two diagonals, right? Say from
Okay.
TSP and Seshagopalan sir to KV Narayan Swamy sir, and from Ghatan.
Yeah, I get it. Yes.
Right? So in that one free card, what do we use it? Like on both the sides, I have free. Can I use it like for both the diagonals?
Yeah, it will overlap for both.
Yeah, it will overlap for both the rows. You can definitely do that.
I can. Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks.
So I'll carry on. The next one is the instrument harmonium. Yeah. So the next one is Vidwan Madurai Somasundaram, Mama. Vidwan Madurai Somu. Anybody who has completed 2 rows now? Okay, we have 1, 2, 3.
Almost.
Yeah, we have quite a few people who have completed 2 rows. Great.
Bingo.
So the next, who is that? Anirudh Natarajan. Is that you?
Anirudh Natarajan, great.
Wow, awesome.
Can you show your face, please? Let me bring
you. Can you please show your face? We have to see you. Awesome, great. I'll just stop sharing my screen. Can you just share your screen? So that I can just see your.
Congratulations, Anirudh.
Congrats. Can you just share your screen?
We want to check the actual names.
Yeah, just 1 second. Hey, just 1 second. I don't think I called out the instrument violin, right? It's marked here.
Oh, okay. I made a mistake, I guess.
Bingo.
Oh, then we have a winner. It's Supriya. So yes, Anil, could you please stop sharing your screen so that Supriya could share her screen? Okay, let me see. We have 1, 2. I actually see only 2 rows here, 2 completed rows.
2 columns and 1 diagonal.
I can see
1.
I don't see 3 rows actually. I see 2 verticals completed and yeah, the one starting from Harishankar Anna and Lalgudi sir, that's completed, and the one from DK Jayaraman Mama to Lord Hanuman, that's completed, but I don't see the 3rd row.
So the center column is not counted. The diagonal one?
The diagonal is incomplete. It should the GN sir and KV Narayan.
No. The diagonal between guitar and Harishankar sir, that is complete.
Oh, I just saw that. Sorry.
Awesome.
Sorry. Yeah, awesome. Great. Congrats.
Yeah, we have a winner now.
Yeah, we have a winner.
Who's our winner?
Luck has favored you, and great job on identifying the artists too.
Who's our winner?
Our winner is Supriya Raja.
Hi, Supriya. Great going.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank
You are the winner for this round. Yeah, I think it's a great. As I said, the task here is double fold. One is to actually identify what the artist or the instrument or the deity that is being identified, and then being able to. The second part is the lucky part. The first part is the factual part.
Can you start the screen once, Ashwath? Just want to see. You are looking at 3, right? Do we have all 3 there?
Yes, we have all 3. Yes, we have all.
Yeah. So Supriya, can you share your screen? We can probably show it to us.
Yeah.
We have 2 verticals and 1 diagonal. Yes. We have.
So, she has gotten Vidwan Harishankar, Lord Rama, Vidushi A. Kanyakumari, Vidushi M.L. Vasantakumari. Who's the last one? Sorry, I'm not able to
Lal Gudi sir.
Vidwan Lal Gudi Jayaraman. The diagonal is Vidwan Trichi Shankaran, then Muthuswami Dikshitar, then the guitar.
Okay.
Then the other vertical is Vidwan D.K. Jayaraman, Vidwan Madurai Somu, Vidwan T.K. Murthy, and Lord Hanuman.
Great.
Congrats, Supriya.
Thank you.
Yes.
It
Great.
was wonderful playing. Thank you.
Thank
you.
So I think the next set of people are waiting in the lobby for us. So if you all can exit the Zoom call.
Thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you.
So
have
much.
a good
Thank you
night.
for the opportunity.
And please come back tomorrow
It was
morning.
fun playing. Thanks. Bye.
Have fun, guys. Bye.
Thank you. Hi, Hardik.
Hello, Ashwath. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine.
Hi, Shruti. Hi, Srinidhi. Hi, Swati. Hi, Sri Ranjani. I don't know how you knew that it was me. I didn't even switch off my camera. Sorry. Awesome. Thank you all for joining. I think.
Thank you.
I think Vishwesh, we admitted a few people last time.
Yes.
Hi, Vishwesh.
Yeah. Hello. Yeah. Have everyone joined here?
We have 6 people. We have 6 people now.
Okay.
I think this batch is going to be only 6. Let me quickly check. Give me 1 second.
Yeah, sure, Anna. Yes.
Because there are a few people who joined earlier.
I'm audible?
Yes, you are. Yes, you are.
Okay, thank you.
So we have Hardik. Okay. We have Shruti. We have Srinidhi Govind. We have Swati Srinath here. Yes, we have Swati. Then Nityashri. Yes, she is there. Uma is there. Bharati has not joined. Annapurna has not joined. Sahana has not joined. And then we have Vidya Ram, who is also not joined. I see Neha Ram. Is it Vidya Ram? Yes, you are muted. I'm so sorry.
Oh, yeah. I'm coming on behalf of her.
Okay, great. So we have how many people with us now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? Yeah, 7 people. I think we can start. If someone else joins, we can always, put them into the next batch. No problem.
Okay, sure.
So, guys, welcome again. Thanks for all your enthusiastic participation in Music Carnival so far. Good to see you in the bingo game as well. Let's, first of all, acknowledge and thank Vishwesh's presence here and his contribution in being the host for this event. Thank you, Vishwesh.
Thank you, Anna. Yes.
So no further ado, I hope you all know the rules. Any doubts, please ask now itself so that we can start off.
Can you please explain about the overlap?
Overlap is nothing. Sometimes when you mark 5 cards in the middle row, you can also use the middle row from the vertical line, so that the both rows overlap. So that's just
There are 2 types of overlaps that can happen in bingo. That is, one is a plus kind of an overlap. The other is
a cross. Yeah.
Okay.
Both are cross. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I
Thank
think
you.
Vishwesh has already pinged a link where you all can join and start looking at your own cards.
Yeah.
Vishwesh, please go ahead. You
Yes.
should probably share your screen again.
Yeah, sure. That would be. I hope I win.
Next game I will take on.
Yeah, sure. Yes. So I hope all of you have opened your links and you're ready with the cards.
Yeah.
Yeah, great. So for the first one is Vidwan G and Balasubramaniam, sir. The next one is the instrument Ganjira. The next one is Ghatam Vidwan Vikku Vinayagaramma. The next one is Lord Shiva. The next one is Lord Rama. Okay, I'm having no luck here. The next one is Lord Narasimha. The next one is Mridangam, the instrument Mridangam. At last, some ray of hope. The next one is Mridangam Vidwan Palakkad Raghu, sir. The next one is Lord Muruga. The next one is the instrument guitar. Instrument guitar. Has anyone completed one row by the show of hands? Anyone? One row.
Not yet.
Okay. I guess I have company. So the next one is the instrument Veena. Yeah. So next is Lord Krishna. Next one, Kanstro Harishankar, sir.
Can you repeat, please?
Next one is Harishankar, sir. Kanjira Maestro G. Harishankar, sir.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. So the next one is Vidwan D.K. Jayaraman, sir. Yeah. The next one is Vidushi M.L. Vasanta Kumari Amma. The next one is violin Vidwan T.N. Krishnan Mama. The next one is Mridangam Vidwan Guru Karekudi Mani sir.
Can you please repeat? Mridangam Vidwan Karekudi sir.
Karekudi Mani sir. Yes. Guru
Okay.
Karekudi Mani sir.
Okay.
Yes. The next one is Lord Hanumar Anjaneyer. Okay. Now has anyone completed one row by the show of hands? No one. Okay. The next one is the instrument
Have
violin.
you set the game so tough that the probability that someone gets a row is like so low?
Yes, I have the number of pictures. Actually, it's probably a lot more actually. So it makes.
I have a doubt. I have like many musicians, I mean artists playing the violin. So that
No. Yeah, that's why I was specific about the instrument violin, not the artist.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, the next one is Vidwan Madhura Mani Iyer. Madhura Mani Iyerwal. Yeah. The next one is Mridangam legend T.K. Murthy sir. Yeah. The next one is Vidwan Semmangudi Srinivasa Iyer. Yeah. The next one is Vidushi A. Kanyakumari Amma. Yeah, the next one is the instrument drums. Yeah, so now has anyone completed one row? By the show of hands, please. Not even one. Okay. I have good company then. Okay.
Whoa, this is going tougher than the last one.
Yes.
Let's see how this goes. It's a very interesting game.
Yeah.
Can you please say who was the last one?
The previous one, it was the instrument drums.
Okay. T.K. Murthy sir is over, right?
Yes.
Okay.
The next one is Vidushi D.K. Pattammal. D.K. Pattamma. Yes. The next one is Goddess Saraswati. The next one is Vidwan T.N. Seshagopalan, sir.
My one row has been completed.
Mine too.
Oh, great. There's two of them. Okay. Do we have any others? Okay, few people are terribly running out of luck. Okay. So the next one is Mridangam Vidwan Umayalapuram Shivaraman, sir. Yeah, the next one is the instrument morsing. Has anyone, completed 2 rows? Okay. Yeah, the next one is Lord Ganesha, player.
My 2 rows are over.
Okay, I think Hardik is leading then. Okay. Yeah, the next one is Mahakavi Subramanya Bharatiyar. Has anyone completed 2 rows now, or is Hardik the only one? Nobody. Okay. Yeah, the next one is Mridangam Vidwan Trichy Shankaran sir. Yeah, the next one is Vidwan KJ Yesudas.
What was the last one?
Sorry, what?
What was the previous to previous?
The previous to previous
Shankaran
one.
sir?
Yeah, before Shankaran sir, it was Mahakavi Subramanya Bharatiyar.
Okay.
Then it was Shankaran sir, and now it is Vidwan KJ Yesudas.
Okay.
Yeah, the next one is MS Amma. Dushi MS Amma. MS Subbulakshmi
Bingo.
Amma. Oh, great. Okay, so we have a winner. So
wow, who's the winner now?
Hardik. Our winner is Hardik. Can you just share your screen, Hardik? Can you just send it to me? Yes.
If you can share your screen.
Yeah, my 1 row and 2 columns are over.
Yeah, can you just send it to me?
Or,
yeah, sure.
Or can you share the screen or something you can? Oh, you're on a different instrument, is it?
Yeah, I'm using from my phone.
Yeah, he will send it to me. I can share my screen here.
Great, yeah, sure.
I sent you.
Yes, I got it. Just 1 second. Yeah, this is Hardik's screen. So
oh, is this Hardik's?
Yes, he has completed.
Yeah.
Yes.
Where is the third one?
Yeah, it's 2 horizontals. This one, and this one.
Oh, that one. Oh, great. Okay. So the answer is Vidushi DK Patamal, DK ML Vastukumar, Vidushi ML Vastukumari, Vidushi Vidwan Karikudi Mani, Vidwan TN Seshagopalan, Vidwan Shanukri Srinivasayar on one horizontal.
Yes.
Then Lord Shiva, Goddess Saraswati, Lord Ganesha and the Veena on another horizontal. And we have again
Shankaran sir,
Seshagopalan, Vidwan Trichy Shankaran, again Lord Ganesha, Vidwan T.N. Krishnan, and Vidwan KJ Yesudas. Great.
Congratulations. Luck has favored you considering the round, because this was a very tough round. Yes.
This is a long round, right? Yeah. Every next name mattered. Yeah, I think luck has definitely favored.
Great. And congrats to you for identifying all the artists too. So
thank you so much. Thank you.
Yes.
Can you stop your screen share? Yeah. So congrats, Hardik, and thank you so much, everyone, for participating so enthusiastically, and I hope you all enjoyed this game. As I said, this is twofold. It's not just about getting getting a bingo, but it's also about being able to identify the Vidwan or the Vidushi or the goddess or the instrument that was being called out. So I hope you all had fun doing it, and thank you so much. I think with this we're going to end the Facebook live event. Thank you, viewers on Facebook. We'll come back tomorrow morning with all the rest of the events. Please stay tuned from 8 a.m. in the morning. We have Pictionary by Vidushi Aishwarya Vidya Raghunath. Hope you all enjoy that as well. Stay tuned. Thank you.
Thank you so much.